areal differentiation, know four things. Know the definition. You must know the approach. Kya tha isme? You must know how this is linked to chorology and what were the demerits. Okay. Definition kya areal differentiation ka? What is the approach? The approach is study of cause-effect relationship. It is objective study. It is descriptive study. Okay. And chorology ko bhi link karna hai iske saath mein. And what are the demerits? I'll presume these are things aap apne aap revise karenge. Okay. Have an idea about the book's name? 1939, 1940s mein. It is Richard Hartshorne. Nature of Geography. The book's name was Nature of Geography. What people miss out is areal differentiation is positivist. It is a positivist approach. In positivism, okay, culture and human preferences are ignored. So areal differentiation, like QR, also ignores the human aspect. This is something we do not realize. Like QR, areal differentiation is also positivism. And like QR, it also ignores the human aspect. That's why areal differentiation is not same as a humanistic approach. Although both are regional in studies. Areal differentiation is not same as humanistic because areal differentiation ignores the human element. Both are otherwise regional approach. That's why we often say that a humanistic approach jo hai, this is the new regional approach. This is the new chorological approach. It brings back culture studies, and therefore humanistic geography is concept of culture turn in geography. I'm revising some points. Okay, the humanistic approach hai, this is the new region approach. This is not areal differentiation type of a regional geography. Okay, it is the new regions, it is the new chorological approach. It brings back culture studies. Therefore, ये जो approach is called as a culture turn in geography. Culture वापस आ गया geography में. It is a culture turn in geography. Okay. So when you write about areal differentiation, make sure you have a paragraph on how areal differentiation is not same as the regional approach of humanistic geography.